Hello friends. I am Dr. Sheikh. I am a pharmacist and have a degree in cosmetic product formulation from the Oxford World Academy. I want to share with you on this channel the experiences of 22 years of practical work in the field of skin and hair care, and with this work I can make a small contribution to maintaining health and a healthy life, as well as improving the level of general literacy. Dear friend, in this channel, in each video, we will discuss 6 facts that you did not know or had incomplete information about, and we will help you to help your health by considering these 6 facts. Six facts you didn't know about skin hydration. Hello friends. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important secrets to healthy and beautiful skin. Most people believe that drinking lots of water is all it takes to keep their skin hydrated. But let me tell you that's not entirely true, and there's much more to it. In this video, we'll uncover 6 amazing facts about skin hydration that you probably didn't know. Make sure to stay with us until the end. Fact number 1, drinking water alone isn't enough. The first fact is that drinking water is just one factor in skin hydration. While sufficient water intake is essential for the body, to keep your skin truly hydrated and glowing, you need topical hydrating products such as moisturizers and serums. The skin, as the body's largest organ, plays a vital role in protecting against environmental factors, regulating temperature, and preventing microorganism penetration. Water is a crucial component of skin tissue, essential for its optimal functioning. Dehydrated skin can result in dryness, loss of elasticity, roughness, and accelerated aging. The skin comprises 3 main layers. 1. Epidermis, outer layer. Contains keratinocytes and the skin's protective barrier. Moisture in this layer is crucial for softness and elasticity. 2. Dermis, contains collagen, elastin, and sweat glands, which are essential for maintaining skin structure and hydration. 3. Hypodermis, a deeper layer with fat that acts as thermal insulation and protection. Using topical hydration products, moisturizers, these products create a protective barrier to prevent water loss. Look for ingredients like glycerin, urea, lactic acid, and aloe vera when purchasing. Hyaluronic acid serums. Hyaluronic acid molecules retain water within the skin layers, providing deep hydration. Often called the hydration balm, it works wonders for skin moisture and radiance. For more information about hyaluronic acid, watch Dr. Skinya's video introduction to this miraculous substance, which explains its role in skin health simply and scientifically. The video link is included for your convenience. Products with glycerin and panthenol. These hygroscopic substances draw water and retain it in the skin. Attention, dry skin differs from dehydrated skin. Dehydrated skin, a temporary state where water is reduced in the skin layers, can be alleviated by drinking fluids like water, soda, or juice. Dry skin, however, results from a lack of natural oils, is chronic, and may be considered a medical condition that often troubles women. Only topical moisturizers and hydrating products can treat and improve this condition. Frequent use of hydrating products as part of your daily routine, especially in cold weather, after washing, or during hot months and windy or dry conditions, helps restore lost moisture. Fact number 2. Water temperature matters. The second fact is that the temperature of the water you use to wash your skin greatly impacts hydration. Washing with hot water may feel good, but it actually dries out the skin. Why? Hot water, especially when combined with soaps or shampoos, strips away the skin's essential natural oils, leading to dryness and tightness after bathing. Use lukewarm water as the best option, and if you're brave enough, try a quick cold rinse before stepping out of the shower. Cold water tightens pores and revitalizes the skin, creating a glowing effect. Fact number 3. Do not overuse detergents and hygiene products. Almost 100% of detergents and cleaning products contain 1 or 2, sometimes 3, detergents. Detergents are substances that remove and clean grease. Frequent use of soaps and shampoos for daily bathing or hand and face washing can be a major cause of skin dryness. Recommendations. We recommend either reducing the use of these products or using milder products, and ideally using non-soap detergents. Fact number 4. Your diet directly affects hydration. The fourth fact is that your diet plays a huge role in skin hydration. Foods rich in water and nutrients help keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Foods rich in essential fatty acids, like omega-3, and antioxidants help maintain moisture and skin health. Water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, strawberries, and celery are excellent choices. Fact number 5. Your environment matters. The fifth fact is that environmental factors can directly affect your skin's moisture levels. Dry air, especially in winter or air-conditioned spaces, can dry out your skin. Use sunscreen to prevent excessive water loss caused by UV damage. Employ a daily routine involving hydrating products, especially before going out. Use humidifiers in dry environments to increase room humidity and prevent skin dryness. If a humidifier isn't available, consider creating a DIY water fountain or using misting fans to maintain moisture in your room. Fact number 6. Sleep is nature's best hydrator. The last fact is that getting enough sleep is one of the best ways to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. During sleep, your skin gets a chance to repair itself and regain its natural moisture levels. A good night's sleep helps balance hormones and promote skin regeneration. Increased perspiration during sleep acts as a natural moisturizer, preventing dehydration. Poor sleep can lower the skin's pH levels, leading to dryness. During sleep, blood flow to the skin increases, boosting collagen production, repairing UV damage, and increasing melatonin levels. Melatonin acts as an antioxidant, fighting free radicals and slowing skin aging. Well, my good friends, don't be bored, and don't forget to like and subscribe. These were 6 amazing facts about skin hydration that we hope were useful for you. If these tips were interesting to you, please introduce it to your dear friends. Please tell us in the comments section which methods you use to hydrate your skin. I would also like to know what is your favorite topic so that I can make a video tutorial on it. So until the next video, stay healthy and beautiful.